One day, it was morning time. A gentle breeze was blowing in the jungle. Chimpu was watering plants outside his house and Junu was sitting nearby, thinking about something. Suddenly, Junu noticed an old wooden box placed in the corner of the house. Junu slowly went near the box and opened it. Inside, there were some strange bottles. They were filled with different colored water, red, blue, green. Junu's eyes sparkled. Wow, what is this? He picked up one bottle and gently shook it. Suddenly, its color started changing. Junu excitedly shouted, Chimpu, look at this! Chimpu came closer and looked at the bottle carefully. This is something special, but handle it carefully. But Junu wasn't going to listen. Junu opened the bottle and poured a little water on the ground. As soon as the water fell, that spot started changing color. The grass turned red. Junu started laughing. Wow, this is so fun! He poured more water. Now the tree trunk turned blue. Chimpu got a little worried and said, Junu, stop it. But Junu was now in experiment mode. Just then, a squirrel came there. Junu playfully sprinkled some water on it, and the squirrel's color changed. Now it became purple. The squirrel looked at itself and got scared. Just then, a rabbit came and got shocked seeing the squirrel. What happened to this? Junu laughed and said, This is magic water. The rabbit came closer curiously, and then some water fell on it too. Now the rabbit turned green. Now both the squirrel and the rabbit started running around in strange colors. Chimpu held his head in frustration. Junu, in excitement, threw the whole bottle into the air. And suddenly, clouds gathered. It started raining and that same colored water spread across the whole jungle. Now trees were changing colors, grass was changing colors, everything turned into a colorful chaos. After a short while, the colorful rain stopped. Junu got scared. Oh no, what have I done? Chimpu stayed calm and started thinking. Chimpu said, If water caused this, then clean water will fix it. Just then, clean rain started falling. The squirrel and rabbit both returned to normal, and the whole jungle became like before. Junu sadly said, Sorry, Chimpu. Chimpu said, You can experiment, but do it wisely. Junu smiled. I will be careful now. Both of them sat down, and this time, no mischief. So kids, having fun is important, but being careful is even more important. For more fun stories like this, like and subscribe.